Hello, this is Cara Bernard from the Policy ASPA of the Society for Music Teacher Education with an e-kit on curriculum. What is curriculum? The term curriculum stems from the Latin word currere, which is a race course. When applied to education, curriculum is the course or planned pathway of one's learning. Marsh and Willis describe curriculum broadly as the following. As one can see, curriculum encompasses multiple parts of the learning process and the aims and content of learning. Just as important as what is curriculum is who is involved in curriculum. Within the layers of educational policies, curriculum is usually a very local policy at the district level. Lots of players can be involved in curriculum. It is the policy that has the most to do with teaching and learning. It is most within the teacher's sphere of influence, and teachers contribute to this policy the most through writing, approving, or implementing curriculum and tying it to the standards. The implementation of curriculum can change depending on the school, student population, and teacher. For example, Teacher A sees her students once per week for 35 minutes, and Teacher B sees his students once every 4 days. These two elementary music teachers share the same district-based curriculum, but will enact it differently from one another based on their schedules. Teacher B will have to alter both the curriculum as well as his instruction to better fit the needs of his students. As we just noticed in the example, there's a difference between curriculum and instruction. Some people think curriculum is the what and instruction is the how. However, the what of curriculum is only a part of the definition challenge. It's important for music educators to ask the following questions regarding curriculum and instruction. How will the curriculum be developed? Who will participate? How will it be implemented? How will it be revised and changed? And how will the curriculum be experienced by students? This last question, which is much more amorphous in nature, does not lend itself to a tightly packaged answer. Rather, its answer is bound to be unpredictable and deeply individual. It's the teacher's responsibility to consider the ways in which students might experience learning. It might be helpful to conceive of curriculum as having the following parts: a value, philosophy, and vision of education. This drives your teaching and learning. Learning goals, objectives, lessons and activities, and measures of assessment. Additionally, music teachers should consider a few ideas when creating, choosing, or implementing curriculum. These values and realities will ultimately help music teachers create or implement curriculum in meaningful ways. There are prepackaged, readily available curricula for purchase. These curricula have a series of units and lesson plans for teachers to use grouped by grade or ability level. Method books for learning an instrument such as Standard of Excellence, Recorder Karate, and elementary books geared toward methods such as ORF or Kodai, or more generally based, are available. Additionally, there are online programs such as Music First, which scaffold instructional lessons. Likewise, online resources including Teachers Pay Teachers have a myriad of instructional ideas to aid in the implementation of curriculum and lessons. However, it's important to have a personal definition and philosophy of curriculum, particularly when pre-selecting or packaging curriculum, as curriculum is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Adapting pre-created curriculum for your students' needs is central to create the best learning environments and experiences for your students.